Aggressive claim handling by insurance adjusters, take two. 3, 2, 1.
Welcome to the Legal View with Farah Farah. My name is Chuck Farah, and with me today is my partner Eddie Farah. And today we're going to talk about the aggressive claims handling by insurance adjusters.
Thanks, Chuck. There are a lot of misconceptions out there that insurance companies will treat everyone fairly and pay a fair amount of money when it's time to settle the claim. Let me give you an example of why that's not correct. All of us have seen those insurance commercials on television where they talk about we're going to promptly handle your claim and make sure that everything's okay when you settle your case. But what they're really talking about, and the only issue they've really talked about in those commercials, is settling your property damage, either repairing or paying you for your vehicle. And the reason they talk about the property damage is that's the cheapest part of the policy. When they settle your property damage claim, they know what their exposure is. They never on television or in their commercials or advertising tell you that they're going to pay the liability aspects of that claim in a fair and prompt manner. Because in the liability side of their policy, they're dealing with pain and suffering and medical bills, and they don't want to pay that. So they never talk about it, and they concentrate only on talking about the property damage aspects of their claim. And the reason that is that the insurance companies have changed their way they operate over the last 15 or 20 years. And their sole purpose now is to return a profit to the shareholder. They're not concerned about their insurance. They're not concerned about third parties. Their concern is bringing money to the bottom line. And the way they do that is by saving money on paying claims.
Yeah, Eddie, I see that in the negotiations of a bodily injury claim where they're really aggressive. And what I mean by that, they play both sides of the fence. They're experts at playing both sides of the fence. And what I mean by that is when you'll hear insurance adjusters arguing on a bodily injury claim that when the client has maybe a large amount of medical bills, they'll claim that they overtreated and they should not have gotten that amount of medical treatment, and they're only going to take maybe or consider half or 3/4 of the value of those medical bills. On the other side of the fence, when the client maybe has not treated all that much, maybe has a low amount of medical bills, they'll argue that they didn't treat enough and that they should actually have seen the doctor more and their medical bills should have been higher. But these are just tactics that they will use to try to wear you down and wear the lawyer down. It's known just through our experience that an insurance company will spend $10 to save $1 because they're trying to send a message to the client that we're not going to resolve this claim easily. And in the end, they feel that the client will eventually give in and just settle their case for less than what they're owed.
Yeah, I'll tell you, as a perfect example, or just a follow-up to that, is that the research shows that for every dollar that an insurance company can save in paying a claim, that's worth more than $20 of collecting a premium. So you've got to really hire a law firm that has the legal firepower to take these guys on.